kill me. It looks like Kara is very hungry. Adana, what is it? What are you doing here? It looks like Kara is very hungry. Adana, alright, let's go.
Okay, now come.
Kara, sister. Kara, sister. Fam, Kara is very hungry. So let me just go and feed her. By the way, welcome back again to another video. If you are new here, my name is Ify. I'm a mommy YouTuber, lifestyle vlogger based in Germany. Subscribe if you've not subscribed, turn on the bell notification so you don't get to miss any of our videos. So let me just go and breastfeed Kara now, and then I will come back and continue this vlog. Okay, so keep watching, do not go anywhere. Oh my god, my baby is on my back because I want to make dinner so that we will eat, because I have other things to do today. I need to edit video. I'm having serious headache. My god, the reason I don't like wearing wig is that it gives me headache, and I don't like that. Just today that I wore wig for a few hours, I started having headache. So I just want to quickly prepare food now, and I hope you guys continue watching. Do not go anywhere, I beg. So let me stop talking and then focus on preparing the food, because there is no time.
So proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have. For the world is very strange, things will always change, life changes all the time. Don't be so proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have. For the world is very strange, things will always change, life changes all the time. Life changes all the time. Don't be so proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have. For the world is very strange, things will always change, life changes all the time. If onye bụ n'ụwa, ya bụkwa na isi. Don't be so proud of who you are, what you are, and the things you have. For the world is very strange, things will always change, life changes all the time.
Hey guys, I just finished making dinner. You guys saw it. I made noodles and turkey. So I just want to dish it out now. Give Hobby, give Jason, and then I'll eat mine. Adana had eaten before she went to bed, so she's okay. Tomorrow the vlog continues, okay? So stay watching, do not go anywhere. Thank you so much for your love. Please give the vlog a thumbs up, like, subscribe, okay? And see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
Just leave me. I want Kyra to dance. Dance on your own. Kyra, dance, my love. Who's your guy? Only you. Yes, dance on your own. Now, what's you got to do? No, don't do that. Kyra. Good girl, Kyra. Sister Kyra. Sorry. Did you bite your tongue? Sorry, my love. Sorry, my love. Sorry. Yes, you need to find one. Hi guys. Just leave the room. the road.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Doing?
How are you guys doing? So it's another day and we are getting ready because we want to go out. We are actually Nine, just don't do that. Nine, Adana, don't do that. We want to go out. We have an important errand to run today, and that is what we are getting ready for. But we've not eaten breakfast, so we want to eat first before we go there. Hi guys.
Hi guys. How are you doing?
How are you guys doing? Just
Daddy.
Bye guys.
Daddy.
So we are ready to go. Okay, we have 1 hour plus drive to that place. It is such a very long.
Head west.
Yeah. So, oh my god, I still have some gum here.
I thought it was almost 1 hour 40 minutes. Man, now before 1
1
hour.
hour 40. Maybe not this thing not okay now. The traffic.
I know. Even 2 hours.
Oh, almost 2 hours, John. Drive, oh, not even with leg. So we have. Let's go. So we have a long ways to go, but we'll just have to start going now because the weather safe is very dull. All right, so come with us, fam. I will film the one I can film because. Sorry. Yeah, man. Why the opposite? Okay. So fam. Connected. 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 Justin is kind of sleeping.
Yeah.
No, I'm not sleeping.
Okay.
No, Daddy.
Huh?
Okay, also no, in which means the Kara is sleeping.
Yeah, sleeping, yeah. Good.
Oh my god. So guys, I will film the one I can film for you guys, okay? So let's just go there. I'm still getting ready for my trip to Nigeria, and this very particular errand is part of my preparation for my Nigerian travel. So let's go there.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. Slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth it. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I felt like I was never hurt. All I wanted was to be alone.
Later that same evening.
If you get them now, how are you? You know get them now, who be you? Leave my top pepe na pepe. Money good oh. If you get them now, sugar. You know get them now, so far. Leave my top all my life now, wow. Money good oh. If you get them now, how are you? You know get them now, who be you? Leave my top pepe na pepe. Money good oh. If you get them now, sugar. You know get them now, so far. Leave my top all my life now, wow. Money good oh. Labor and plenty work, one breaking road oh. All got day for office, laptop and phone oh. Another man put hand for head in the thing oh.
Hi guys, the past 2 hours I've been in this kitchen cooking, cleaning, and wait, I'll be right back. Let me go and give them this food. It's very hot. I spread them out so that it will get cold quick. I don't know, let's go. Food is ready, my love. Hi, I don't tire. I'll just dish soup for them now. It's not easy. My 2 legs are on fire. I'll get back to you guys. Let me go and feed the children so they can go to bed. It is late already. This is almost 10 p.m. See, it's a lot, but I'll get back to you guys later, okay?
The next day.
Adana, come here. Jason? I don't have. Come, let's go. How sweet thou oh, amazing grace. I am going for my therapy, and I'm going with the entire family. Sorry, so I'm having breakouts. So I have therapy today, and we are going as usual. The entire family is going with me because hubby will have to stay with the kids while I go for the therapy. I just want to end the vlog here because it has been okay. Jason, come. Yeah, I just want to end the vlog here because the vlog already say this is days after the last time I spoke to you guys, and I just want to end the vlog here. Just know, oh yeah, come and follow here and enter. Come and enter, Jason. Hurry up. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Turn on the bell notification so you don't get to miss any of our videos. Thank you, and see you all in the next one. Bye.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.